In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a Canva website into a Squarespace site. This process is simple and straightforward, so let's dive right in and get started. First things first, if you haven't already, open up your Canva account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the website project you're currently working on. This is crucial because everything we do here will revolve around that particular site design. With your project open, look towards the upper right-hand corner of the screen where you'll see the Share button. It might be a little icon or a text button depending on the device you're using, but its function is the same. Click on it to bring up a menu of different options for sharing your project. Once there, look for the Embed option. This will provide you with a way to share your Canva design through an embedded link, which is what we need to transition your design over to Squarespace. Clicking on Embed will generate a special link for you, so go ahead and copy it to your clipboard. You can do this by highlighting the link and selecting copy, or by using a simple keyboard shortcut, whatever's easiest for you. Now that you've got your embed link, we'll switch gears and head over to your Squarespace website. Log into your account and navigate to the page where you'd like to incorporate your Canva design. This is a flexible platform, so you have lots of control over where and how your content appears. Within Squarespace, locate the Add Block option on your page editor. Clicking this will give you a diversity of block types to choose from. In our case, we're interested in the embed block, which will allow us to place our Canva content directly onto your Squarespace page. Once you've added the embed block, double-click it to open up its settings. You should see various options, but for our purpose today, we'll focus on inputting code. Select the code snippet option from the list available, as this will enable us to use the embed link we copied earlier. With the code snippet editor open, you'll see a space labeled Embed Data. This is where the magic happens. Simply paste the link you previously copied from Canva right into this field. You can do this by right-clicking and selecting Paste, or by using a keyboard shortcut. Once you've successfully pasted the link, take a moment to ensure everything looks just right. Once you're satisfied, click Save to apply the changes. This will update your page and you should now see your Canva design seamlessly integrated into your Squarespace site. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to transform your Canva creations into a fully functional part of your Squarespace website. I hope this guide has been helpful. Stay creative and enjoy designing.